welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Saturday night. We're here in Walking Street, Queens Avenue, and Teta, we're going to cafe. Let's go.
You can go to Subic, Boracay,
Already this side of the road fixed. Good. And maybe in the future we fix this side also. Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
After this finish,
It's good. But captain of Barangay Balibago same on you. You don't know. New? Hi? Okay.
Shut out.
Okay.
hello friends.
Hi. So waiting Georgi.
Go inside.
Georgi on the way already.
Go inside, okay.
Okay.
I go there, the other side there.
Where?
Inside, but it's already in the corner.
Okay.
There.
Don't have space? Okay. We now in cafe. Вот Shaira order. What is Shaira? What is this?
Chocolate.
Ah, it's chocolate. It's not coffee. Do you want to walk with me in Walking Street? You don't like Walking Street? But why you don't like?
I don't like.
It's good. I also don't like. But I need to show to subscribers. Oh, so many girls already, boys. Okay, Shaira, I will go. Georgi also don't like. Georgi, you don't like Walking Street now. Okay. Hi, Alan. Again, I show maybe someone to. It's your Gcash.
Gcash, yeah. And also my number, you can text me.
Okay. not allowed?
The video of the girls.
And what problem?
You're videoing the.
Who are you? You mayor of Angeles here or what?
What?
You are mayor of Angeles here. Why you not allowed me take video here?
Well, I mean, you're going to post under their face, right?
Yes, YouTube. It's My Life Philippines YouTube channel. You can watch if you want.
You didn't get any permission for that.
Permission?
Yeah.
Who are you? Why I need permission? I not take video of you. Why you stop me? You want talk? Go to police station talk if you want.
You're super rude.
Okay, let's go to police
ahead, go
station.
ahead.
Okay. Next time not stop me, okay?
Hi, darling! Mikey! You're Mikey! Very, very
Thank you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes.
Shaira, what is your video? You make video?
My
what is YouTube channel?
No.
Not? TikTok?
I think so.
It's your TikTok.
Yes.
Oh, good. Georgi also watch YouTube. One Korean sit in a bar. You watch video? You take video for YouTube? I said yes. Not allowed. I said, who are you? He said, not allowed take video. I said, who are you? You mayor of Angeles City or what? He said, okay, go ahead. I said, next time better not stop me. But I don't know what he want. Georgi watch how to play billiard. Where? At billiard where?
This player is from Angeles City.
From Angeles?
Yes.
What channel name?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. He play in Angeles right now? Or not in Angeles?
No.
Okay.
He is from Angeles City.
From Angeles City now, but play billiard in another place.
But live in Manila.
Okay. Shaira, you need to say.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Yes. Leon also want to say thank you for watching. Sorry about quality of video. Sometimes video not good quality. But I already order new camera, and maybe next week I can show what kind of camera. I will show unpacking camera, and you can see what kind of camera. This camera with a Pocket 2, also good camera, but battery not for long time. And maybe I will sell already tomorrow. I don't know. But I have another also camera. Okay, thank you for watching.